Wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces have a timeless appeal that can bring warmth and character to any home. If you're looking to revamp your space without breaking the bank, consider the versatility and charm of wood. With some creativity, you can transform your living environment into a cozy sanctuary filled with unique pieces that reflect your personal style. Here are some innovative ideas to incorporate wood furniture and decorative accents into your home on a budget. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the simplest ways to start is by focusing on your existing furniture. If you have old wooden furniture that seems outdated or worn, consider giving it a fresh coat of paint or stain. A light sanding followed by a new finish can breathe new life into a tired piece. For instance, an old wooden dining table can be transformed with a soft whitewash or a bold color that complements your decor. This not only rejuvenates the piece, but also allows you to create a focal point in your dining area. Another budget-friendly idea is to upcycle wooden crates or pallets. These items can often be found for free or at a low cost from local stores or construction sites. With a bit of creativity, you can turn them into functional furniture. For example, stack wooden crates to create a rustic bookshelf or use pallets to build a coffee table. Simply sand down any rough edges and apply a coat of sealant or paint to finish the look. These DIY projects add unique charm to your home while keeping costs low. If you're in need of additional storage, consider incorporating wooden storage boxes. These can be found at thrift stores or made from leftover wood. Use them as decorative elements while also providing practical storage solutions for items like blankets, books, or toys. You can personalize these boxes by painting them in colors that match your interior design scheme or adding stencils for a more artistic touch. Wooden shelves are another excellent way to enhance your space without spending much. Floating shelves made from reclaimed wood can add an element of sophistication to any room. You can install them in the living room to display books and decorative items, or in the kitchen for spices and cookbooks. The beauty of wooden shelves lies in their ability to blend seamlessly with various styles, from rustic farmhouse to modern minimalism. If you're looking to add texture and warmth to your walls, consider creating a wood accent wall. This can be achieved by using reclaimed wood planks or even wooden panels that are easy to install. An accent wall can serve as a stunning backdrop for furniture and artwork, instantly elevating the overall aesthetic of the room. You can choose different wood finishes to create contrast or stick with one type for a cohesive look. Incorporating wooden decorative pieces into your home can also make a significant impact. Look for wooden bowls, trays, and vases that can serve as centerpieces on tables or shelves. These items can often be found at flea markets or thrift stores at reasonable prices. A simple wooden bowl filled with seasonal fruits or decorative stones can add a natural touch to your kitchen or dining area. Wooden picture frames are another charming way to display your favorite memories while enhancing your decor. Instead of purchasing new frames, consider making your own from scrap wood. You can customize the size and finish to match your existing furniture. Arrange multiple frames in a gallery wall format for a personalized touch that showcases your family's history and style. For those who enjoy crafting, creating your own wooden art pieces can be an exciting project. Using small pieces of wood, you can create wall art by arranging them in patterns or shapes that resonate with you. This could be as simple as creating geometric designs or more intricate forms like trees or animals. The result is a unique piece that reflects your creativity and adds character to your home. Another idea is to incorporate wooden candle holders into your decor. These can be made from slices of logs or branches, giving your space an organic feel. Arrange several candle holders together on a dining table or coffee table for an inviting atmosphere. You can also experiment with different heights and sizes for visual interest. If you have outdoor space, consider adding wooden furniture such as benches or chairs made from reclaimed wood. This not only enhances your garden or patio, but also provides additional seating for gatherings. If you're handy with tools, building your own outdoor furniture can be a rewarding project that allows you to customize the design to fit your space perfectly. Wooden toys are not only great for children, but also serve as charming decorative elements in playrooms or nurseries. Consider making simple wooden toys like blocks, cars, or puzzles that can double as decor when not in use. These handmade items add a personal touch and encourage imaginative play while being aesthetically pleasing. When it comes to lighting, wooden lamps and fixtures can create a warm ambience in any room. Look for inexpensive lamp bases made from wood and pair them with unique shades that match your style. Alternatively, you could create your own lamp using reclaimed wood and an affordable lighting kit from a hardware store. The combination of wood and light adds depth and warmth to your space. To further enhance the natural vibe in your home, consider incorporating plants alongside wooden elements. Wooden plant stands or hanging planters can beautifully showcase greenery while maintaining a cohesive look with your wooden furniture. Plants not only improve air quality but also bring life into your home, making it feel more inviting. For those who love books, creating a reading nook with wooden elements can be both functional and stylish. Use a sturdy wooden chair paired with a small side table made from reclaimed wood to create a cozy corner for reading. Add pillows and blankets for comfort, and surround the area with bookshelves filled with your favorite reads. If you're looking for an artistic touch, consider adding wooden sculptures or carvings to your decor. These pieces can often be found at local artisan markets or online shops specializing in handmade goods. A striking wooden sculpture can serve as a conversation starter while adding elegance to your living space. In the kitchen, wooden utensils and cutting boards not only serve practical purposes but also enhance the overall aesthetic of the space. Invest in a few quality wooden spoons, spatulas, and cutting boards that you can display on countertops or hang on hooks for easy access. Their natural look complements various kitchen styles while being functional. Consider creating a wooden entryway organizer using pallets or scrap wood. This could include hooks for coats, shelves for shoes, and compartments for keys and mail. Not only does this keep your entryway tidy, but it also adds rustic charm to the first impression of your home. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of small wooden accents throughout your home. Wooden coasters, trivets, and serving trays can be both practical and decorative additions that tie together your overall design theme. These small touches often go unnoticed but contribute significantly to the warmth and character of your space. Incorporating wood furniture and decorative pieces into your home doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With some creativity and resourcefulness, you can revamp your living space on a budget while embracing the natural beauty of wood. Whether through upcycling old furniture, creating DIY projects, or simply adding decorative accents, there are countless ways to infuse your home with warmth and style using wood. The key is to embrace the process and enjoy transforming your space into one that reflects who you are while remaining budget-friendly. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.